Hi guys, it's Miss Orlick. What a crazy few weeks it's been. I cannot tell you how weird all of this is. None of us have ever been through anything close to this ever. So each day is a new day, and um, yeah, just taking this totally in stride. I'm thankful that you guys are going to do it with me, and that I'm still able to communicate with you and show you a few things, hopefully, that you've maybe not done before. But this is all it's all really weird for everyone. So please be patient with me. I'll definitely be patient with you. And if you're ever confused or concerned, or if you need anything, please reach out to me either through email or Google Classroom or the quickest way that you need to. Um, Also, if you have any questions about anything school-wise, the administrators, Mr. McDonald, Ms. Collier, and Ms. Morris are all available, so feel free to email them. The counselor's Google Classroom is up, so if you guys find yourself needing anything, um, please, please let them know, especially if you're not comfortable talking to one of your teachers. I know the entire Jaguar team misses all of you. We talk about you guys all the time. And yeah, so I'm gonna apologize ahead of time in any of my videos if there's any extra noise. I'm actually at my parents' house in Florence, Kansas, so I'm about 2.5 hours south of Johnson County with the baby, my parents, and their big dog named Thor. So I'm sure he'll make an appearance here in a couple of videos. Anyway, that's all I've got for right now. I hope you're all doing okay. If you ever need anything, or if just in general, if you need anything now, later, anything, please let me know and we will all work through this together. So, all right, guys, have a good night, and I will talk to you all on Monday.